In this video, we will see about bud stage, the first stage of tooth development depending on the shape of the enamel organ. So the epithelium of the dental lamina, to know what is a dental lamina, refer to our previous video. Epithelium of dental lamina is separated from the underlying ectomesenchyme by a basement membrane. So this is the ectomesenchyme, and the underlying dental lamina, the underlying ectomesenchyme is separating the dental lamina by this basement membrane. So the differentiation of each dental lamina, for example, in upper arch you will have 10 deciduous teeth, right? And in lower arch also 10. So there will be 10 separate points where dental lamina will be proliferating. So at each 10 spot, the differentiation of each dental lamina will proceed like a round or ovoid swelling. So in the upper arch you will have 10 buds, and in the lower arch you will have 10 buds in the initial stage. So it is called as bud because of the shape. Development of the tooth germ is initiated after this, followed by rapid proliferation of both the enamel organ and the surrounding ectomesenchyme. This enamel organ, so at this stage it is called as enamel organ. The main function is to produce enamel. In bud stage, let us see how the structure will be. The structure will be like this. The low columnar cells will be surrounding the basement membrane, and centrally you have polygonal cells. Low-lying columnar cells and central polygonal cells is the structure of the enamel organ in the bud stage, and surrounding ectomesenchyme and both this enamel organ will undergo rapid mitosis, proliferation. Migration of the neural crest cells. Let us see about neural crest cells in another video. From neural crest cells migrate into the ectomesenchyme, causing condensation. What you could see here, this presence of condensed ectomesenchyme around the enamel organ is due to the migration of neural crest cells. So this condensed ectomesenchyme immediately surrounding the enamel organ is called dental papilla, and the condensation surrounding both the dental papilla and the enamel organ is called as dental sac. Two different terms. We also saw about these terms in the previous video. So this dental papilla and dental sac will be more rapidly proliferating and differentiating in the upcoming stages of cap and bell. So let us see this diagram in particular. We used to refer histology diagrams from the textbook written by author Mejijos. So for histologically accurate diagrams, you can also refer her textbook. So let us see the parts here. This is the oral ectoderm, dental lamina, this part. So from there you have this enamel organ. This whole part is the enamel organ. Here centrally you have polygonal cells and columnar cells. Then you have developing bone. These parts denote the developing bone, alveolar bone of the future, now currently present in the dental sac, and condensing ectomesenchyme, which will be dental papilla in the future. So the next stage will be the cap stage. So let us see what is the structure of the tooth germ enamel organ in the cap stage.